Hey, Winston, welcome to Intel. Welcome to Embedded World this year, right? Thank you for stopping by Intel booth today. Hey, tell me more about this week when you talk to your customers. I bet a lot of things related to AI. Like, what do customers share with you, right? When they bring topics to you, right, related to AI, can you share with us a bit more?
AI is definitely a hot topic right now. A lot of our customers who are looking at AI are talking about it in the realm of functional safety as well as security. It's evolving quite rapidly today, anywhere from automotive all the way to robotics and other, even medical devices and imaging applications, and even surgical robotics. There's an evolution of where AI is where it's taking off and where it's going. So a lot of what our customers are seeing right now is there's so much going on around how do you do hardware acceleration with all these different AI models? How do you do AI inferencing? So what we're trying to do is we're enabling these software providers and these manufacturers to build really foundational platforms where it's not only safe, it's not only secure, but they're also getting and optimizing optimizing the hardware for their high performance compute platforms.
All right, great. So, this is important, right? Because as I would imagine, when our customer together, right, our joint customers, right, coming to us, they are looking at not just a pure silicon, right, CPU, right. They are looking at the whole solution, and for them to develop their solution, they will rely on us to provide them with a not only the system that can perform, but as well as the runtime, right, able to pull the silicon features, right, and able to provide them with a hardened environments for them to develop their solution, right? Hey, so to that end, where do you think you see the opportunity for Intel and QNX to work together better, right? On the compute side, as well as for the AI side.
Yeah, so on the edge side, we talk about a lot about AI inferencing, deploying AI at the edge. So it's quite interesting. What we want to look at in that platform is how do we enable the CPU, the GPUs, the NPUs to optimize the hardware on that platform. So we look at the Intel Panther Lake. It provides a lot of that high performance compute platform. And what QNX is doing is we're enabling all those different features to be able to provide that processing capabilities to generate the AI models or to run those AI models. We're also looking at all the safety features that Intel provides as well. So, and then from a security standpoint, we're looking at SBL, so some bootloaders, as well as other capabilities that we can unlock with the Intel platforms.
Yep. Hey, this is good, right? I try to recap again, right? There are a few nuggets there, right? So first and all, compute is very important still, right? It's edge compute, right? So compute essentially, right? Working with QNX, right? Together we bring the real time, right? Environments, right? To support all the real time needs in automation, in robotics, physical AI, and so on. And not only just the real time, right? It's about the functional safety, right? It's about how do we able to make sure, right, all the control features we're able to run, right, real time on the compute. And now we bring AI along as well, right, as a function, as a feature, so to help to complete the entire offering, right. So now, if we think about this whole environment, Intel, we've been like a super strong supporter for open source, open ecosystem approach, right? And we introduced open edge software back in last year, right? Consists of the base software that requires you have to pull the feature from silicons, the tools, the library, the sample application, and so on. Can you share a bit about what QNX is doing related to things like open ecosystem or even open source that we can jointly go and look into in the marketplace that help to not only embrace the openness, but at the same time able to help our ecosystem, right, to consume, right, the contribution that we have, right, towards them as well.
Yeah, so if we talk about AI in general, we'll start there. Physical AI, it's about sensing, it's about intelligence, it's the actuation. So we're seeing a lot in the automotive space with autonomous vehicles. We're seeing a lot in the autonomous mobile robots. So with that capability and functionality, we are enabling the ecosystem and working with Intel closely to provide a solution to the market. As part of that platform, we provide that deterministic real-time behavior and the performance. We provide the functional safety certifications, or a safe by design architecture, secure by design architecture as well, and just the pure reliability of fault containment with our architecture. So leveraging the open community, we do support a lot of different open source packages like ROS2, as well as different AI models or ML frameworks. So we're looking at Onyx, PyTorch, TensorFlow Lite. We support those packages. And then in addition to that, we're leveraging OpenVINO to provide that hardware abstraction to leverage all the different capabilities so that your AI can generate across the CPU, the GPU, as well as the NPU.
Great, great. A lot of good stuff there. So if we wrap this up, right? So it do sounds like together, right? We're able to provide a pretty strong a not only foundational software, right, but as well as the ingredient they require for the control side of the automation, the physical AI, right? But then now it is also about the AI side as well that I just mentioned, right? Using OpenVINO, right? The open source software to bring the AI models able to land on the platform easier. If you want to summarize a couple of the key takeaway that you would like to encourage the ecosystem, especially around the physical AI, to go and collaborate with Intel and QNX, right? What would be your pitch to talk to all the ecosystem right around the physical AI to be very specific? Yeah.
Yeah, to go to physical AI or to deploy with physical AI solutions, you need a high performance compute platform. You need the safety, you need the security aspects and features. And what we do together is we provide that platform solution to enable manufacturers to go to market quicker and enable their solutions to be the best.
Cool, I like it. So it's control plus AI run on Intel with QNX, right? Love it, right? I think together we're going to help the ecosystem to move faster.
Yeah, look forward to it.
All right,
look
cool.
forward to see what's happening in the market.
Thank you.
And where it's going to go.
All right, cool.
All right, fantastic.
Thank you
so
thank
much.
you. Thank you for spending time with us today.
Likewise, and thank you for having me.
Thank you.